May June 2018, time zone 2, paper 2, maximum mark 7. The first term of an infinite geometric sequence is 4, and it is u1 is 4. The sum of the infinite sequence is 200. Find the common ratio. So u1 is given as 4. S infinity is given as 200. The formula for S infinity is u1 over 1 minus r. I know u1, I know my S infinity. So 200 is equal to 4 over 1 minus r. Transfer this 1 minus r on the other side. So 1 minus r is equal to 4 over 200, which is 0.02. So 1 minus r is 0.02. So r is equal to 1 minus 0.02, which is 0.98. So your r, that is a common ratio, is 0.98. First part is done. Find the sum of first 8 terms. So Sn is equal to u1 times 1 minus r raised to n over 1 minus r. S8, so n value is 8. u1 we already know, that is 4. R we already found out from first part, that is 0.98. So 4 times 1 minus 0.98 raised to 8 over 1 minus 0.98. Type this as it is on your calculator. Do not find out separately. And then you will get whatever answer. Please write down as it is because it's a paper 2. So whatever answer your calculator is showing, you have to write down that. And finally you round off to 3 significant figures, which is 29 and 8. After that there is a 4 less than 5. So final answer is 29.8. Last part. Find the least value of n for which Sn is greater than 163. Sn is greater than 163. Again I am using the same formula, but I don't know my n. 4 times 1 minus 0.98 raised to n over 1 minus 0.98. 1 minus 0.98 is 0.02. 4 over 0.02 is basically 200. 1 minus 0.98 raised to n is greater than 163. What I'm doing, I'm using a GDC graph part. So I'm typing this left hand side in y1 and right hand side in y2. You have to adjust your view window because you can see here 163. That means your y value, maximum y value, should be more than 163. So let's say 200 upper scale. So you can see this line is basically your 163 line, and this green curve is basically your 200 times 1 minus 0.98 raised to n. Type this as it is. Do not miss out the bracket. Obviously, if you are not getting your answer, you have to adjust your wave window by increasing your x scale. Definitely these two will intersect. The intersection point, write down that 83.5234, 163. Please draw this graph because this is your working, and write down the point as it is. Do not round off that 83.5234. Now you can see this is a greater than, so n should be greater than 83.5234. That means n has to be 84. Thank you.